Hello, bonjour, Ani. My name is Jenna, and today I'm going to show you how to use your science kit, Northern Nature Traders. In this science kit, you're going to find a lot of interesting scientific materials for you to do your own explorations of the natural world around you right in your own home. Inside of this science kit, we're going to start with our science notebook. This is where you're going to be able to make and draw all of your lovely scientific observations. We also have a bug catcher, a magnifying glass, a sample test tube, and a pH strip inside of our sample test tube. Now with this kit, like I mentioned, there are so many fun activities that you can do. Why don't you start by taking your bug catcher and your magnifying glass outside? You can use your bug catcher to observe all of the interesting pieces of nature. But remember, if it belongs outside in the natural world, we want to keep it outside in the natural world. What could be really cool is if you used your notebook to draw and make all of those lovely observations. A second activity that you can do with our nature trading kit is some pH soil and water testing. In order to perform this activity, you're going to need your test tube and your pH strip. Fill your test tube with a little bit of soil. Then you're going to add a little bit of water to your test tube and soil, and you're going to mix it around so it resembles a mud-like consistency. Once your mixture is all ready to go, you're going to gently dip the tip of your pH paper into your soil mud solution. Once your pH paper dries, you should be able to compare it to a pH scale. That will be able to tell you whether or not your soil sample is acidic, basic, or neutral. That can help you to determine what kind of flora might live around you in your environment. Thank you, merci, miigwech. Until next time.